gentlemen, it is a pleasure spending my Friday nights with both of you. Yeah.
You can get up, walk. See, get up, walk off.
Open stuff in his stocking.
It's okay, baby.